Heidi ho, neighborroonies. This is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on this beautiful 7th of January. Here is the chart of ECOB, which stands for something. I don't even know what it stands for. It stands for a bestdamnpennystocks.com pump and dump. Eco Blue Products Incorporated. It's been pumped. Let me bring over the multi-day chart here. It has been pumped. Get bigger. From about 50 cents, 45 cents, all the way up to $1.10 it closed at today. So 3 days, it's more than doubled on huge volume. Look at this volume, about almost 7 million shares today. It's just amazing. And let's go take a look at the last best damn penny stocks pump and dump. Went up, gapped up, then sort of came down. Up the next day, up the next day, then it gapped up a little, ran, and fell drastically. On the fourth day. What's tomorrow for ECOB? The fourth day. I'm pumped. Well, ECOB's pumped too. And I'm pretty excited. Anyway, last couple days I've held it overnight, sold it right early the next morning to make some quick money. Here I sold it in pre-market a bit, and I slowly got out a little bit at a time because I get antsy, so selling a little bit at a time, keeps me from getting too nervous. And my average price was like 98 cents a share for selling. I bought it at 81 cents the prior day. So not bad at all, about 400 bucks on that. So let's just, for posterity's sake, look at the 1 week chart here. And tomorrow I expect it again. It'll probably gap up a little bit, run pretty high, and then drop like a rock. Okay, what else today? CSGH, zero realized profit. That was another thing I gapped overnight. It didn't do anything in the first 5 minutes, I sold. I'm very quick to sell these OTC pumpish stocks that I hold overnight, because if they don't do anything, if they don't really gap up, if they don't have much volume, then they can drop like a rock. Don't play these if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, don't play OTC stocks at all. That goes without saying. AMLME, American Lithium Mines or whatever. It's been pumped previously. Looks like it's getting pumped now. And I'm holding it overnight. I'm already up a few cents at the close. Nice. CDII, this. Mr. Tim Sykes shorted this. I shorted on the Tim alert. I was being dumb. I like to scalp his alerts. Because his followers often will move the stock a little bit. But they won't move the stock if it's a big volume stock, and this had some big volume today. So I shorted it. Where did I short it? Right here, and I covered it right afterwards. So 250 bucks loss. That's me being a little dumb, but IDN, nice breakout play. As usual, I'm a little wuss and I sell way too early. So I got this nice first spike here, but then I should have looked to rebuy right here as it broke the previous high. That would have been a good time to buy. And it made a nice short later in the day. What else is up today? Burkers. I'm so annoyed I missed this early in the morning. It was up to like $1.40 in pre or so, and it opened around 105. But it was certainly below 120 for the first, these are 2-minute bars, so about the first 8 minutes, 10 minutes or so. And that would have been a nice time to buy. I did buy it right here, right at the low at that point. Only got 207 shares out of 1,000 that I wanted to buy. Sold it at $1.50. So that would have been a very nice trade. It was 7%, I think, profit margin, but I just wish I'd gotten a full fill. CDII, I'd also shorted on my own earlier in the day, right here when it went red, and then I covered for a $20 loss when it went green. Should have flipped it there. That would have been a great buy. So anything else? No, that's it for the day. Thanks very much for watching. Check me out next time on reapertrades.com.